today, one of our projects that we got going on I wanted to show you is we're doing a clutch on our 2005 Lamborghini. These V10 Gallardos from 04 to 2014, they were very reliable cars. Lamborghini made, it's actually the highest production Lamborghini ever. They made over 10,000 units. One of the biggest problems is the clutch wear. These cars are notorious for eating clutches every 5 to 10,000 miles, depending on how you drive. Car needs a clutch. It's a hydraulic system that basically, it's a manual that the car shifts for you. So it's not exactly precise, it's not consistent, and if you don't know what you're doing, it could slip a lot, causes heat and wear. If you're interested in ever buying one, make sure you always get the clutch wear percentage from the dealer. We measure the clutch 90% worn. Things toast. So it's about a 25 hour job. You have to take the whole car apart, whole back end of the car I should say. Exhaust, transmission comes out, everything. New clutch goes in, new throwout bearing, make sure there's no leaks, you're good to go. This job gets done for right around let's call it $10,000. But if you treat the car right, really you should be able to get a couple of good years of use out of it. So I'm going to go over today what it takes to get that job done. So step one involves taking off the rear bumper, gives you access to the whole back half of the car. Exhaust comes out, all the reinforcement brackets have to come out for the back. Here's the transaxle here, this is the part, the housing that has the clutch in it. This backs up to the engine. This is all coming out next, thanks to Jesse. So now that we got more stuff apart, you can see, actually check this out. This exhaust is to be racing. So this car actually has a race exhaust on it, which is pretty cool, did not know that. You've got access now to the clutch. As you can see, this clutch here was probably changed, what's that date on there? Probably 2013. We're gonna change out the pressure plate, all brand new. So this whole kit you buy from Lamborghini directly comes with new pilot bearing seal, new rear main seal, pressure plate, the entire clutch kit, everything you need to get this car back on the road. We didn't find any really major issues with the car. There was one hydraulic hose that was leaking. We're gonna replace that. Then we're all good to go. Start putting the trans back in, new throwout bearing, put this thing back together, get it back on the road. So we're out driving the car now. The car drives great. You have to do about 400 or 500 miles of braking. Really just means the car really shouldn't be pushed too hard. You got to keep it, I'd say, under 4,000 RPM. And you drive it in automatic mode. You don't use the paddle shifters. And that just kind of helps the car, the computer learn where the clutch is basically, and used to the new positioning in the transmission. God, this thing sounds so good. It's so hard not to floor it when you're driving this car. Just love it, love the sound. No check engine lights on, no hiccups, no nothing. Car's awesome. The previous owner did just change the F1 pump within the past 3 or 4 years, I think. So pump's good, everything else is good. Just needed to make sure the car's 100% ready to go for sale. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it informative. If you got any questions, comment below. Send me a message. If you're interested in purchasing the car, give us a call. If you got any questions in general in terms of service or purchasing, financing, trading, whatever it is, we're a full service dealership, so we offer everything A to Z. I look forward to making more content for you guys. Comment below, give me a thumbs up, follow, like. I'll see you later.